Hey everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change name on hi5. So let's get started. Begin by launching your hi5 application. Now tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on your profile picture. And then tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the pencil icon once again. Tap on the display name and then type in new name. Once you're done, tap on the save button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can change name on hi5. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.